Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Asim. Hope you're having a very nice day. Today I thought to take you to a very special but common street food in Pakistan. It's very near to my home. So let's go. So it's almost done. Just look at these beautiful samosas. So here we are right now. This is my friend, and he's making jalebis and samosas. This is what we call samosa. It's a very common but so delicious and crispy kind of street food we have here, and you can find it on the roadsides. We have shops here. Everywhere you can find it easily. And he's boiling this cooking oil for making jalebis. So this is the dough from which he's going to make jalebis. It's a very thick, smoothie kind of dough. So soon he's going to make it. So he has started to make those jalebis. The oil is so piping hot. Just look at those sweets he's making. He's a very hard-working guy, and I know him from last 8 years. And this is the same spot where he used to be.
You got a bite.
So he's going to dip all those jalebis in this sugar syrup. Now they are crispy brown, little bit white and hot. Here you go. That is so delicious, but we have to wait. So I've brought these jalebis on the bonnet of my car so that I can have some space. Just look at these jalebis. It's a little bit warm and it's very crispy right now. It's sweet and crispy. So let's try it. It's sweet. Just look at that. It's sweet, it's crispy, it's hot. It's actually a very good snack food. You can have it with some tea. Or if you are doing some driving with your friends, and you can find it on the roadside as well. So it's a very easy kind of snack food you can have. It's great. By the way, he's making how to prepare these samosas. So I just thought to show you as well. He's making thin sheets for making those samosas. So basically it's flour,
सैलेड भी बनता है Namak.
Flour and salt, these are the main ingredients for this, and oil. So just look at this perfection. He's making it so quickly. He's a little shy. He has such a smiley face. So just look at the perfection he has. And now he's going to fill these potatoes inside. It's so beautiful in a triangular shape, filled with spicy potatoes. It's total vegan and vegetarian. So now he's adding all these samosas in this piping hot oil. Just look at those bubbles which are coming out. So it's almost done. Just look at these beautiful samosas. And here it goes. These are so hot and crispy and yummy. Brown, a little bit white, and a little bit spicy. And it's going to make more. I ordered one samosa because right now I'm not so much hungry. So let's eat. Just look at that. That's so beautiful and looks so delicious. At least for me, it looks so delicious. I have to show you that how crispy it is. It's a little bit crispy and it has some fillings, potatoes, some coriander, some red chilies, and of course some salt. So let's eat how it tastes like. So you can mix well. It's up to you if you want to add this sauce or chutney. I think this sauce is made up of some coriander or mint leaves, some water, some yogurt, and of course maybe some salt. So you can mix it like that, or you can just eat it without, as I said, sauce. So let's try. So it's salty, it's crispy, it's a little bit sour, and you can taste some spiciness. Just look at that. And it becomes a little bit soft when you add this chutney on this samosa. Now this is one of the snacks which you can have with tea. It's very common in Pakistan that you can have this samosa with tea, and mostly we used to have tea around 5, 4 In any ways, there's no time of tea in Pakistan. You can have tea at any time, especially in the winter. Wow. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. From my side, it's Assalamu alaikum and goodbye. And from my friends as well. We'll see you. Thank you.